Hi, it's Colin here from digitalprint.ie. Just a short video on the Epson Edge dashboard and using it to control the media settings on your printer. This can be used to adjust any of the printers that appear in the dashboard, to include the 4600, 8600 and the new R series printer. So in this, we can simply go to the machine that we want to edit the media settings on. We select the printer and we go to media settings. In this case, I'm going to adjust the MD3 and we're using this for a monomeric. Typically we would do this on cheaper materials because the backing paper is causing some issues. So in this case, we select the media we want to do. We click the little pencil button down in the right hand corner because this is for editing this. And what we want to do is we want to reduce our temperature because it's really the backing paper that's causing us the problem. So we select all three temperatures and bring this down by 5 degrees on all. So we're going to bring this up to 45. After that, then we want to release some of the tension on the media. So we're going to bring that down to 1 and we're going to increase our suction up to 6. All of these combined, and then we're going to change the media pressure to medium. And with all of these set like this relieves some of the tension on the media. And because when the backing paper, we need to hit apply, because when the backing paper is being heated and then contracting, that's what's giving the uneven surface on the media, and that's what can cause some head strikes. So we just hit apply and OK, and now those settings are applied to the machine, and now when we print, the media should stay flatter and no more head strikes. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.